Hi, my name is Lin San, and now I'm going to explain my code for the question 1 of quiz 8. So, the question is write the function value of in the parameter letter, which take a letter and which returns the value of the letter as follow. So it will print out a table like this. And hint is use ASCII underscore lowercase from the string module and use the find method for string. Use appropriate booleans. So first, I'm going to import the ASCII lowercase as LC and the ASCII uppercase as UC from the string. And next, I'm going to define the function, what is value of letter. So I'm going to call LTR is the letter lowercase, and then I'm going to call index, what is I'm using the find method for string to assign the value of the letter, which I'm going to apply it in the this follow boolean down here. So if the value of so in here there's two sequence is start with a lowercase or a uppercase is 0, go to m or to letter m lowercase or uppercase is 12, and then the second sequence is start from n lowercase or n uppercase is 12 and down to z as z lowercase or z uppercase is 0. So there's two sequence right there. So I'm going to have the boolean for the two sequence is, so for the first one is if the index is it will equal and it will be equal and bigger than 0, and then it will smaller and equal to 12, and then the value, and then it will equal the value, and else the I have for the second sequence is the value is going to be equal 25 minus the index, and I will return the value of the index that I assign for the find method for the letter. So then after that, I'm going to print. First, I will print out the format like this, and then I will use the for loop, what is for letter in LC lowercase. I will call UC as letter uppercase, and then I will print out first is the letter, what is for the lowercase letter, or the UC is the uppercase letter, and this is the space, and the value of the letter is the function. So I will run it. So yeah, so the result is similar to this. So we have a lowercase, a uppercase is 0, b or b lowercase, b uppercase is 1, go into m lowercase or m uppercase is 12, and then we switch to n lowercase or n uppercase is 12, and this will go down to z lowercase or z uppercase is 0.